How to change the default background on Viber. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the default background on Viber. The visual appearance of each application is the most important thing in addition to functionality. Things that are pleasing to the eye attract a lot of people and keep a large crowd in one place. Hence today's topic, and that's how to change the default background on Viber. Once done, we will open Viber. When Viber has opened, tap on the three dots in the bottom menu. Here we will select the Settings section in the list of sections. When the settings opened, we will see a new list of sections. Here we need to find the one called Appearance and tap on it. In this window, we will select the last option in the list, which is Change Default Background. When the gallery opens, we can scroll through it and find the wallpaper that suits us best. It should be noted that this background refers to the background in some CET. And that doesn't mean you can't choose someone else for a specific chat. This is just the default background. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Viber tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.